get to this unboxing of sorts. Look at this thing. Look at that. A little hand with an eye on it. Y'all may be wondering just what the hell this thing is. Oh, I'll show you. Hold on a second. Alright. I know this video quality probably sucks, but it's most appropriate. Hello. Alright. There we go. Look at the quality of this thing. Put this out of the way. Manos. Look at that. Ain't that something? It's like following the story in book form. I am Torgo. I take care of the place while the master's away. The master? Mike? Oh, that's the snake. And Torgo. There is no way out of here. It'll be dark soon. Let me take your luggage. Oh yeah, the master and his dog. I'm just a dog. All I know is ball. Good. Tonight, you. Oh, this is so neat. Alright, that's enough of the preview. This was my unboxing of Manos, Hands of Fate, the coloring book. Very nice for your Manos collection. And look at those lips. Yeah!